Christopher Panayiotou stands accused of orchestrating the murder of his wife Jade. His bail was initially denied in the Port Elizabeth's Magistrates Court. Panayioutou's defence appealed the decision today in the Grahamstown High Court, although his bail was again denied. News 24's Derek Spies was in the courtroom and he's joining us on the line. Derek, what happened?
Yes, now the case is basically the appeal has been denied. So it was a very brief court appearance this morning. So pretty much what happened was we went in, the judgment was read out basically saying that the appeal had been denied. Judge Swerson in his judgment said that the decision, he couldn't find fault in the decision by Magistrate Abigail Beaton, and therefore the appeal was dismissed. So pretty much what it means now is that Christopher Panayiotou will remain behind bars until his trial, unless the defence decides to take it to the Supreme Court of Appeal.
Scenes from outside the courtroom, Derek, show a really happy Ings family. That's, of course, the family of Jade, who was killed. Her mother and sister were in the courtroom, and many other supporters were there. They were clearly thrilled with the decision.
That's correct, yes. No, the Jade's family was very much in full force after the court today. Both her mom, her dad, as well as her sister, and a whole bunch of relatives and friends who were there showing support for the Ing family and wearing the Justice for Jade shirts. What we did have, however, was there was no representation from the Panayiotou family at all today. Even the defence attorney, Salvan Kibbenberg, Mike Hellens, and Terry Price were absent today. That just had Mark Nettle, who was representing them to hear the judgment, but they wouldn't include that. So,
Derek, what happens now?
Okay, well, as I was saying, pretty much with the appeal now being dismissed, Christopher will stay behind bars unless it goes to the Court of Appeal in Bloemfontein, or Supreme Court of Appeal in Bloemfontein. Terry Price has indicated that they would probably, if the appeal was denied, they would take it to the Supreme Court of Appeal. So we would obviously have to wait on the defence to find out if that is the case. The next is essentially the next court appearance of the three accused, Christopher Panayiotou, as well as Iobi and Vuma Zonke. Those are two accused that have been with him, and that be in the Magistrates Court in Port Elizabeth again on the 13th of August.
Derek Spies, thank you for joining us.
Thanks very much.